Guys, is this you? You found your perfect floor plan, you move in, and all of a sudden you're wondering, where am I going to put my toilet paper? Well, I'm kind of short, so if I put it in here, I'm probably going to fall off the toilet getting it. So where am I going to put it? Where am I going to hang my towels? In my floor plan, there's not a lot of space for me to hang towels on the wall. Where am I going to put my shampoo, my conditioner? What about those things like the beard clipper, your hairspray, your blow dryer, all those things? I've got some tips I'm going to share with you, so stick around to the end. I found my first tip right here. Look at this. So this is a perfect option for your toilet paper because you can actually stow it away, but it's going to hold your toilet paper. I'm going to link everything in the description below that we're talking about today, so don't worry, you're going to be able to find these things, but you can put it on either side. So speaking of toilets, how are you going to scrub your toilet bowl? All those toilet scrubbers, they take up space. For my RV, I've got a skinny space, so check out this nice skinny little toilet bowl scrubber. I'm going to link this below also, but this is a nice little tiny stowaway right here beside the toilet. Easy and simple. Guys, do you have a place to hang your towels? You know those bath towels? You're looking at your wall. Do you have a space? If you do, you're the lucky one. I don't, but I have an option. So I've got this great spring-loaded, if I can get it in here. Let's see, there we go. So there you go, right inside your shower. And there it is. You hang your towels here. I'm going to get 2 towels and I'll show you exactly what it's going to look like. So wait around for 2 seconds. So there you go, guys. 2 bath towels hanging here. Now the great thing about this is even though you're showering, it's not getting wet. I have a full-size shower, but the water only comes halfway into the shower. So these towels never get wet. They're out of the way. They're easy to dry. They're not on your walls making moisture. The other end of my shower, let me show you this. We put another one, and this is where we hang the washcloths. So there it is, easy access. Another favorite thing that I have right here, I have my shampoo, my conditioner, and my body wash. Now I'm gonna link this all below. It's really easy to fill. You just take it off, take off your cover, fill, put the cover back on, and this slides right back on. So you're never having any bottles falling, tipping over while you're traveling. So that is a great feature right there. So stick around, got another one coming up. So let's talk about all the big items like your blow dryer, your curling iron, your husband's beard trimmer, anything that you want to have not fall over when you're traveling. This is a beautiful option right here. We recently were in Indiana and we ran into a store called Obico, and they had every accessory you can imagine for the RV. This is something that's actually waterproof, so you can actually install this in your shower. But I had the great idea that I never know where I'm gonna put my blow dryer and all those big things like hairspray. So you can put it on the inside of a door. So my idea, and it is going to happen, it's gonna go on the inside of this. So how is it going to install? Let me show you. It comes with the hardware. So you've got this little screw right here that you can screw into the door or the inside of a cabinet, because this comes in a couple of sizes. Then on the back side, you have your snap. It snaps right into place there. So this is going to be snapped right here on the wall. You're able to put in your blow dryer, your curling iron, your beard trimmers. You could probably even put flip-flops, something like that in here. But a great place to have everything stored all in one spot. So living in an RV, you know we have to be careful with our drains. We don't need hair going down and clogging our drains. No, I do not sell NORWEX, although I will leave you a link down below. But they dry very quickly, your hands in between your fingers, but they look nice. And this little gadget right here, I'm not exactly sure where I got this, but I think that I got this at Hobby Lobby. And so you can find all those little nice little accessories there. But anyways, the NORWEX, I'm telling you guys, I'm gonna show you my cupboard because the NORWEX towels give me more space also. Again, I do not sell NORWEX, but what I have here are 2 bath towels and 2 hand towels. Here's 2 regular bath towels and 2 hand towels. Tell me the amount of space that I save in my closet with that. So I'm gonna link the NORWEX below too. Again, I don't sell NORWEX, but I do have a link for you guys if you are interested. Do you ever wonder where are you gonna put all of your shoes and how are you gonna keep your floors clean, right? So you need to keep your floors clean and store your shoes. Well, I think most everyone has an area underneath their mattress that may look like this. So again, I have found this company called Obico, and this is what we're going to do. We are going to install these. Now, I'm going to use them for shoes. They're going to go right here. I have bought several of them, so they're going to go right around the edge of my bed. My flip-flop shoes can go in there. You can store books in there. You can put little games for your kids, cards, whatever you want that's going to store right there. The great thing about these is that the dirt stays inside. They are washable as well, but all the dirt's going to stay in there. So if you have some dirt on your flip-flops, don't worry, it's not going to end up going everywhere here in your bedroom. Again, you've got these little snaps right here, and they're going to be screwed directly into the bottom of your bed here, and they're going to snap right on the back. So it's very easy installation, and it's clean and easy to remove if you want to wash them. It comes in several colors. I am going to link their website below, and you can go to their website and check out the colors that's going to fit your bedroom. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell. Let us know what you want to see more of in the comments below. But I'm going to give you a couple of extra tips. So next to your bed, there's always a few things that you need. You need to have your remote, your chapstick, maybe your glass case. Well, my friend MJ from Endless RVing came up with this great little idea. So this just kind of slips here. You may not have the space, but maybe you do. So my remote goes in here. The only thing I don't care about is the fact that it makes a lot of noise when I'm trying to find my things in the night. Well, again, I'm going to share with you Obico has come out with some great things. Now, this is very stretchy. All this is going to do is have a couple of screws here on the side. Okay, so this is going to screw on your wall, and then you have all this stretchiness right here where everything was just going to slip right behind, and it's not going to make any noise. So remember and never forget, it's not about the destination, it's all about the journey.